Our team works the way it does because we all share a common goal to become better every day, and we hold each other accountable.
We're not just players on a field, we're a family. We play like a family, and it's a sisterhood. It's not just any other softball team, and we're playing to win, and we're playing for each other.
All of us are willing to put everything on the line for one single play, and that's something that a lot of other teams don't have.
Bottom of the 8th inning, Lady Cats down 5-2, Macquarie up to bat, bases loaded. Here's the pitch. Ball slapped over to left field. That may fall in for a base hit. It will. That'll score Kearney. Ball rolls all the way to the fence. Here comes Sims. She'll round third. She will score. Leo Terry with McElroy right on her heels. She'll come around third, and she will score. Game is tied. Relay throw comes in. It goes to the backstop. McElroy's going to try to score. Here she comes. She slides in. She's safe. Lady Cats win. Lady Cats win. They were dead and buried. Down 5-2 in the bottom of the 8th inning. But a walk-off grand slam by Presley McElroy. In dramatic fashion, the Lady Cats win 6-5 and gives them a shot of momentum as they head into the playoffs. What